When it comes to hosting family gatherings, holiday parties, or preparing meals for the week, this Elite Gourmet Maxi-Matic triple slow cooker buffet server is a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. Imagine being able to cook and serve 3 delicious dishes at once, all at different temperatures, without the hassle of multiple pots and pans. Whether you're making soups, stews, roasts, or even appetizers, this versatile slow cooker buffet server does it all, with style, ease, and efficiency. Let's dive into why this product is an absolute game changer for both everyday meals and entertaining. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Elite Gourmet Triple Slow Cooker Buffet Server is its ability to cook and serve 3 separate dishes at the same time. With 3 by 2.5 quart removable stoneware pots, you can make a variety of dishes like soups, stews, chili, and even appetizers. The beauty of this buffet server is that each dish can be cooked at its own temperature, allowing you to manage multiple recipes without worrying about timing issues. The 3 independent adjustable temperature knobs give you complete control over each pot's heat settings. Choose from low, high, or warm to suit your recipe's needs. This feature allows you to cook different types of dishes with varying cooking times and temperatures simultaneously, without compromising on flavor or texture. It's perfect for preparing meals that require precise heat control. With the holiday season, family gatherings, and parties in full swing, the Elite Gourmet Triple Slow Cooker Buffet Server is a lifesaver. It's designed to accommodate the demands of large groups by serving a variety of dishes without taking up too much space. Whether you're hosting a potluck, serving a family-style meal, or offering multiple appetizers, this slow cooker buffet server makes it easy to serve everyone with minimal stress. Another thoughtful feature is the lid rests that come with the Elite Gourmet Buffet Server. These lid rests keep your lids in place while you're serving dishes, ensuring that your countertop remains mess-free. No more searching for a place to put hot lids when serving, just rest them neatly on the designated spots. The stoneware pots and lids are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. After a successful event or a busy day in the kitchen, you won't have to worry about hours of scrubbing. Simply remove the stoneware pots, place them in the dishwasher, and wipe down the base with a damp cloth. The hassle-free cleanup ensures you can enjoy the fun of entertaining without the burden of excessive washing up. Available in an attractive red finish, the Elite Gourmet Maxi-Matic Triple Slow Cooker Buffet Server will add a pop of color to any kitchen counter or party table. Its compact size ensures that it doesn't take up too much space, making it ideal for both small and large kitchens. To make your meal preparation even easier, the Elite Gourmet Buffet Server includes a collection of recipes that will surely become family favorites. These recipes are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a casual dinner or a holiday feast. You won't have to worry about meal ideas, as the included recipes provide inspiration for perfect slow-cooked meals every time. Why you'll love the Elite Gourmet Maxi-Matic Triple Slow Cooker Buffet Server? Versatility for any occasion. Whether it's a family meal or a festive celebration, this slow cooker buffet server is perfect for every occasion. From preparing multiple dishes at once to keeping everything warm and ready for serving, this unit is your all-in-one solution for both cooking and serving. Minimal effort, maximum flavor. Slow cooking is renowned for bringing out rich, deep flavors in your food. The low and slow method allows for better distribution of flavors, resulting in tender meats, savory stews, and aromatic soups that will delight your guests every time. The independent cooking controls ensure you get the right level of heat for each dish. Entertaining made easy. The lid rests and dishwasher-safe parts make this buffet server ideal for entertaining. No more juggling multiple dishes and constantly checking the temperature of each one. With this buffet server, you can relax and enjoy your event while the slow cooker handles the hard work. The bottom line: this Elite Gourmet Maxi-Matic Triple Slow Cooker Buffet Server is the ultimate tool for anyone who loves hosting gatherings, preparing multiple dishes at once, or simply wants to reduce time spent in the kitchen. It's the perfect blend of functionality and convenience, allowing you to slow cook and serve 3 different dishes simultaneously with ease. Whether you're cooking for a family, hosting a party, or preparing holiday meals, this buffet server will become your go-to appliance. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.